I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure core tools are present, .NET SDK and Vscode with the C# extension. Open the project folder in Vscode now. Once done, open the integrated terminal and run .NET New Console to scaffold a simple C# file and project. You do this because .NET New creates the correct files and project structure automatically, so you avoid manual configuration. Make sure the C# extension activates. It provides syntax, IntelliSense, and debugging support. Now you edit the C# file that exists or create a new CS file in the project folder. You should rely on IntelliSense to complete types and methods. It speeds coding and reduces typos. Once code is written, save and run .NET Build in the terminal so you spot compile errors. If errors appear, use the problem's pane and lightbulb quick fixes to resolve them. This helps maintain a clean project. Make sure namespaces and project files match to avoid reference issues. Finish by running your app. .NET Run for quick execution, or press F5 to launch the Vscode debugger with breakpoints and watch variables. If you need arguments or a specific working directory, create or edit. Vscode/launch. JSON to pass program args and configure pre-launch tasks. Once you confirm output and behavior, commit your project files. If language features or debugging stop working, restart Omni Sharp or reload the Vscode window. That often restores the C# extensions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.